100 pieces of vegetarian homegrown lane capsules. So this is herb affair. Herb affair, how do you pronounce it, Daniel?
Herb affair.
Herb affair. I'm gonna have an affair, Daniel, with my herbs. I love that they say, okay, this is the body plate, capping plate, the frame plate. Oh gosh, spill guard, so excited. And this is the middle plate. I had big, beautiful chunks of lines, man, and I kind of like shredded them up a little bit. And I'm about to put them in the freeze dryer, and I find they work quite well. Super fresh lines, man. The ones that I harvested yesterday and freeze dried last night. I'm gonna bzz them in my Ninja, put them in a mason jar, and then put them in the capsule machine. They're good for your cognitive. So, and I'm okay with eating mushrooms, but if I'm gonna have it as a supplement every day, it's gonna be time consuming, right? So that's my excuse for getting my little capsule machine. So let us see. First business. And I'm guessing if I want them in capsules, I want them as tiny as possible, right? And I think it looks good. I'm so excited. I'm just excited. Many people think, like, you know, when you make your own capsules, that they say, well, it takes a long time and blah, blah, blah. You have to do one and one. And I'm like, but I just bought a machine that says they can do 100 at the time, right? I'm so excited. Here you get to see it. I like the box. I really like the box. Exquisite. This is what it looks like. This is there are different sizes. This is size 1. And instructions. So this is the bottom part. I can tell it's got legs. I am putting this on there, but I'm going to look at the brochure anyways. But place the body plate on a flat surface and place the frame plate on top of it. Now, how do you know which is the body plate and which is the frame, right? Well, it says here, body plate. And here it says frame plate. For the 100 pieces of the body parts. Now I'm going to 100 body parts now, and I'm going to put them in here. Shake the capsule back and forth until all the capsules fall into place. Now, this sounds so easy, but this is the part that has been scaring me a little bit, so okay. I don't like meat, so I don't eat pig or gelatin. So the one thing I love about this one, they're veggie capsules. So I'm going to take my 100 veggie body parts here now and separate them, y'all. And I know that if you have one size machine, you can only do that one size capsules, right? And look here. I'm sharing this with you because maybe you have the same problem. And then you know that if it says size 1, it means size 1. They send you the right size, yeah? Okay, I got my 100 body parts. This time the right size for the right tray. And now, check them. Check it, baby. Now, this is the part that I've been like super curious about. Like, is this as easy as to say, or is this just a sham? Actually, it's not too bad. And out of these, how many came upside down? None. But I have one too short. Okay, so I have 2 that are the wrong way. I think tweezers would be good here. Did we get them? Did we get them? Oh my gosh, I think we got it. Now, if I can do this without messing up more than this, you can do that too. Remove the frame and put in the pink thingy. It says body plate, it says frame plate. Moment of truth. Okay. My heart rate is going up. Yes. Fill your powder. Now, I have no idea how many grams of powder I have or anything, or how much powder I need. If you want more or less in your capsules, this is when you make that choice. Like, I can do this, you can do this, right? I only use that much. Oh my gosh, I got a lot of more lion's mane powder. Okay, so let's see what this does. Okay, y'all? Is this in now? Oh my gosh, it's pushing it down. Okay. Now, I have to say, you know, after you've been like wanting to do this for so long, and you finally get to do it, can you even tell that I used any of this, really? Put the body capping plate, this is the frame plate on top. Okay, check. 100 pieces of size 1 capping things. I think I only got a couple that are upside down. That's not too bad. Remove this one. Oh, that was not hard at all. Okay, that should be here, right? Filled capsules. I'm so excited. Now, random test, okay? Bring it up carefully. You see, really? That was easy. That was really easy. Now, I'm gonna put these in small mason jars and enjoy them. So here you go, the ready results. These are 90 capsules of homegrown lion's mane, capsulated in vegetarian, vegan capsules. And the machine and the capsules are from Herb Affair. And we are ready to roll. Thank you, Herb Affair.